mean, new adventure as in fly across America. Is that yours? Yeah. Oh, some more characters. Nature cats. And we'll see each other there. Thank you so much.
Yoshi's Smelly Mystery. Yoshi's Smelly Mystery.
That's okay.
Stressed out. 21 pilots.
What happens to the
Alligator.
You need a balloon and a soft drink bottle. The bottle can be plastic or glass. I like plastic better.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
Because you can do this.
Mystery solved.
Fill the bottle with about 200 milliliters. Then, pour about 25 milliliters of baking soda in the balloon. Just produce straight out. Shake the pattern down into the
The 92 cents. Fuck you!
Okay.
Yeah.
Can't stop the feeling.
Hello.
Justin Timberlake.
My name is Yoshi. And Badgies, I know how you Speakonia Part 10. But wait. I know how to do this. But
Coming down, ooh, I had a blast. But you know what they say, the high will never last.
We are
Coming down, ooh, I had a blast. But you know what they say, the high will never last.
What's your name? Jolly. Easter duck. Doggy. Walligator. Mario. Toad. Koopa Troopa. And Bell. I've got to know that it's
what's wrong? I couldn't hear it.
My favorite cheese is really good, so I'm gonna keep on prancing.
Oh boy.
My favorite cheese is hella good, so I'm gonna keep on prancing.
Maybe there's a trouble.
Hey, get off my cloud. Hey, get off my style.
So guys, if you wanted to know my updated Speakonia voice info, well, you're looking at it right now.
Listen, Yoshi, if you want. You're feeling hella good, so let's go keep on dancing. Oh, wait. You're feeling hella good, so let's go keep on dancing. Okay, Yoshi. Time for Willy Will. Roger. Listen, Yoshi, if you want, play Nature Cat's group reaction. Let's go. Oh, wait. Here's Nature Cat's group reaction. Okay, Yoshi. Feeling hella good, so let's go keep on dancing. I don't know. I'll be waiting if you're doing it. Why does it look like it?
Okie doke.
That's
your
that's
turn.
okay. My title says I will be cool unusual to yours. I'll be honored to you. Detective Kaplupet. Okay, Yoshi. I will do.
Wally Gator. Don't remind me, of course. There should be a home.
Look at yourself. It is yours.
How does
Don't
it
worry
what's
about that. Yoshi.
Maybe should. It's
I think it's your
job.
doing it. Well,
Diddy!
what
Wait,
about some
can I
tips?
have this now?
Don't worry about that.
Mystery
Goodbye.
solved.
Hey, look!
What do you mean?
Stop. Don't talk to him again. With it, don't stop.
When you're out,
You're in
you
big
think
trouble,
I need
Alligator.
I wonder what's going on. Arthur, I need your help. Shut up. I wonder what's going on. Maybe you're possible this one.
Welcome to Line 11. It's a cat Speakonia. I am Yoshi, and this is Detective Kaplupet.
Inspector. Chief Inspector? How do you want?
Let's get.
I know something. How's it doing? Tell me big, I'll do this. I'll betcha. What that? Oh. Think of what is Let's get to the mystery then. Oh, okay. That is good, you know?
Take me out of that. You're on sleep mode?
Oddwide.
Close the hat.
Doing this. What are you doing here? She knows when
I'm back.
talking about Yoshi.
Acting.
That means impossible.
Well.
I mean, possible. It is possible to see how so far. I'll be ready. That's it. Well, Chief Inspector, how do you want? Yeah. Jamie's a detective. So, let's go.
One hour later. We're off to Elwood Sea. Okie doke, Yoshi.
Elwood Sea. I bet you know. From there. The silk properties. I think you haven't been so far. I think. George? Okay, I should be ready for you. No, I'm not. Aye. Good morning, couple of us. Good morning, Chief Inspector. I will have something to spin it about now. How about the Museum of Art?
It looks like Yoshi, we're having a tricky. We'll take a picture of spy camera. Okie doke, Aardvark. Say cheese, detective. Cheese. And now we'll take a picture of the freeze to reflect you when we need it. Right you on, Chief Inspector. Take the time to get the money. You should break it down, got to need the money. You should break it down, we need the money. You should break it up, wake up, I need the money. And on the space, nothing. Dreaming of. Say, wake, you need to make money. Yoshi's walking on the treadmill because I have to be. Okay, Yoshi, I was just about. You need to know where there's feelings, you know what. I'd like. I wonder what's going on, Yoshi. Okie doke, that's okay. Yoshi, you've got mail. Hello? I'm Yoshi. I'd like to be here. No wonder what I think. Oh, I believe it. Okay. Clifford's running away. I know animals would be there. I'll be gone for this. Oswald, what are you doing? What's this, Copopus? That means if you want it, I'll capture the animals. Sure, baby, doing it. Right way. Roger that, Chief Inspector. Jacken, Yoshi, execute. There's an outside, you know. Maybe I should belong to you. That is okay. If I hear now, what is that going on? Don't worry, Aardvark. It is you doing it. A gorilla type virus. Banana. It looks like a banana type virus. The gorilla eats the bananas, so it exploded.
Yoshi, do you want a detective? Yes. Right you are. Clifford, what are you doing after me? I think so. I think no. It's a lot way, you know. I so possible. Tony, I think. I bet you. Oh yeah? I know it's. He's a little bit your stuff on it for you. George? Whoa! What's this, Coclopus? That means if you want to be here in the music. Just right now. Wait. I thought before. It's a game day, Friday. YouTube video editor? Let's take a look. Grab it with a clip. And then we'll find it. And create a video. Yes! I thought it would be cool, unusual. Yes, Coclopus. I think so. I think so. Am I not? Cannot. Can too. Cannot. Can too. I'll be there. Thanks, Coclopus. You're welcome. I think it's your doing it. I'll be your properties with this one. Microsoft Anna. Are you doing it okay? Yes, you know, the detective. Absolutely, chum. Thanks for getting that home, Aardvark. No problem. Binky, are you doing this one for Elwood City? Yes, it may be your possible. Hey, Alan, what is this? I should know. Maybe that's just a bit of their stuff. Oh, Alan. How does you feel good looking at? Oh, live from Mario Stadia. Okay. Relax. They should be owning your Aardvark. And that would be really cool than you. Right, George? We are on it, see? Yes. There are more mysteries to be solved. Remember, and take us. Oh, wait, Yoshi. Detective Compass and the Private Eye Yoshi. I'm taking the final picture. I meant to do yours, Yoshi. Well, we'll see you later. Okie doke, Yoshi.